If you want to know how to take out cast iron pipes, this is the right video for you. Here's one way that we tried it. This is a cast iron pipe cutter that we rented out from Home Depot. This worked really well for the first 8 to 10 feet. Make sure to cut from the top down. These are heavy, so you want to be careful. In some instances, this was actually not the best tool, so here's a clip showing why. Yeah, so this wasn't gonna work out. So we tried something else. We got the Sawzall with the carbide tip blade, and as soon as we started cutting, it was nice and easy, like butter. After we got down to the main drain, we had to heat it up to get the lead out. I just used a torch and we just tried to get all the lead that we could get out. You know, it started to get hot, so I used something longer. It took some time, it did take a while, and it smelled, so wear a mask. So I thought I could grab it real quick and just pull it out because it felt so loose, but it's not gonna easily come out, and we didn't have pliers at the time, so we just try to work together and pull it out. There it is. So this is what we got out of there. This was all the lead that came out, and this is just a portion of it. There was more I didn't show in the video, but you can see that there's a lot of lead in there. That's why it took such a long time to get it out. Now, after we did that, we had to put PVC in, so we needed a Fernco boot. You can get this from a supply store. Make sure to clean out the inside of that main drain coming up, otherwise this PVC pipe won't fit. And right here you can see I'm trying to push it in, but it should go in a little easier than that. Guys, I'm just gonna go over what I did for this house to see maybe any suggestions on what to do differently next time. If you guys have any advice at all, let me know. This is what I'm going to show you though. Started off with 4-inch pipe with the boot, Fernco boot, 4-inch pipe. Had added a clean out here, 4 inches went up with the pipe, and then I stemmed out here with 2 inches, and then I went and took this to the tub. I P-trapped it here. I stemmed it out here for the toilet, and that's a 4-inch 4-inch pipe going to that, and then this goes up. That's gonna go straight to the roof, but it does stem out from the basement coming up. It reduces to 3-inch, and I also brought that all the way up, but then I added 2-inch for the sink pipe going that way, and then I took that all the way up 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. Then I reduced it right in the attic to 2 inches, and I sent it out about 12 inches above the roof. You do need to add a cap on that plumbing vent coming out the roof. That's very important. It won't pass code unless you do that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's the end of it. And if you want more content, please like, comment, and subscribe.